Yes, you can legally say that the old criminal case never happened. And yes, that is the best thing about Arizona's new motion to seal law. It's what I was talking about 3 years ago when it first started in 2022 or got it implemented in 2023. If you get the judge to grant your order to seal your old criminal case, you can say no on any type of job application, loan application, rental application, any place that asks you if you've been convicted of a felony, you can say no. And that's written explicitly in the law, saying that once the judge grants your order, you can say no on those forms. And again, I've been talking about this for 3 years, and it's been, the breathlessness of me talking about this because it's so exciting. Because before, when we just filed motions to set aside old cases, we would have to tell our clients, we'd say, look, on those forms, you can't say you've never been convicted of a crime. Well, now you can under the new law. Under the old law, basically, it just said if your motion was granted setting aside your case, then it just showed that your case was vacated, dismissed, or dropped, or something like that. But it was still there, and you still had to say that you were a convicted felon, basically, or convicted of a crime. But now, under the new law, you say no because you're not, it's completely erased. And that's what's so great about this new law. That's a single thing that's so great about the new law from my perspective. And like I said, I've been doing this for 25 years, and I've been filing motions to restore rights for 25 years. Now, there is one exception to the forms where you can say no to, and those are cases that are jobs or whatever that involve fingerprint cards. If you need to do a background clearance, and those are jobs like your healthcare workers, childcare workers, teachers, law enforcement, things like that. Even if you've had the judge grant the motion to seal your old case, you still have to tell those jobs that you had the old case. That's the exception to the rule, and that's written right there in the law. So anyways, I'll talk about that tomorrow as far as like the jobs for the fingerprints. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Thanks.